Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Zolphaleena from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And now inside each eye, let's add another circle for the pupils. And now let's color these both in black. And lastly, on each eye, let's draw 2 diagonal lines up and out for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start between the eyes and let's draw a curve across. And then let's continue it underneath with a circular curve around like this. Next, let's hop inside and draw the nose. In between the eyes here, let's draw an upside down V shape. Then from the ends, let's curve it back up towards the center. And now let's color the nose in black. Next, let's hop down and draw the mouth. Underneath, let's draw a curve across. Now from the ends, let's curve it out and back down. And then a U-shaped curve underneath to close off the mouth. And now let's color the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop up and draw the bow. Let's start on top of the right eye and let's draw a rectangle shape out and back down like this. Now from the top corner, let's curve it up. And then from the other corner, let's curve it out to the right. Now from both ends, let's curve it down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. And lastly, for the bow, inside the left side, let's draw 2 diagonal lines. And the same thing inside the right side. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the neck. Let's start underneath the head on the bottom right, and let's draw 2 curves down. And that's it for Zolphaleena. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!